If you've been wondering how to bring back the old Steam UI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple method to launch Steam with the classic interface using a shortcut change. This is a quick fix, it's easy to follow, and it only takes a minute or two. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, make sure Steam is completely closed. You want to exit it all the way, not just minimize it. The easiest way to do that is by checking the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the Steam icon there, right-click it and choose Exit. This fully closes Steam, so the shortcut change will work properly. Next, you need to create a new shortcut for Steam. Go to the location where Steam is installed and find Steam.exe. Once you locate it, right-click on Steam.exe and choose to create a shortcut, or send it to your desktop if that's easier. The goal here is to make a separate shortcut that you can edit without affecting the original file. Now comes the important part. Right-click the new Steam shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the Target field. This is the line that tells Windows what to run when you open Steam. Click at the end of the target path and add a space, then type -VGUI. Make sure there is a space before the dash because that is what makes the launch option work correctly. After that, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. Now use this edited shortcut to open Steam. When Steam launches, it should bring back the older classic UI instead of the newer interface. If it doesn't appear right away, close Steam again from the system tray and make sure you're opening it through the shortcut you edited. That's really all there is to it. By fully closing Steam, making a fresh shortcut, and adding -VGUI to the target field, you can bring back the old Steam UI in just a few steps. This is a great trick if you prefer the classic layout and want a more familiar look while using Steam. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful PC and gaming tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Steam tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.